Hello everybody and welcome to Mr. Stansfield's Education Videos. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to double check that your photo is the right size in Google Drive. Now I'm using a Mac. I'm looking at my Google Drive here on my Mac, but it should be the same for a Chromebook. You're going to navigate to the folder that the photo is in. In this case, you can see here in my Drive, I've got a Photo 1 folder. You should have a Photo 1, Photo 2, Photo 3, whatever class you're in. And then here I've asked for you guys to, we're calling this project the Portfolio Prints. I'm asking students to resize an image so that it can print perfectly on a 4-inch by 6-inch printer. And so here's how we're going to do that. All right, if you look at this, you can go ahead and double click on this photo here. It's going to open it up nice and big. And I have students who ask me all the time, is this done correctly? Did I do this correctly? Does it look right? And there's no way to know without actually looking at some numbers. So if you open up your photo here in Google Drive and you go over here to the 3 little dots and you click on it, and you click on Details, this is where we're going to find the right information. Here under Dimensions, it says 1800 by 1124, so 1800 by 1124. Now, we're going to have to do a little bit of math, and bear with me here, okay? What this is telling us is the pixel dimensions. Now, if you've done this resizing correctly, these numbers should be no bigger than 1800 on the bigger side and 1200 on the smaller side. No bigger than means the bigger number shouldn't be more than 1800. And the smaller number shouldn't be more than 1200. Can those numbers be smaller? Yes. Should they be close, or should one of those numbers be close? Yes. In fact, one of those numbers should be either 1800 or 1200. If one of those numbers is either 1800 or 1200, and both numbers are smaller than 1800, less than or equal to 1800 by 1200, then you know that you've done this correctly. If the bigger number is bigger than 1800 or the smaller number is bigger than 1200, that means that that is not sized correctly, and you want to go back to Photopea and resize. Now, the math that I was talking about, what we're doing here is resizing using inches and pixels per inch. Photopea calls it DPI, but it's actually PPI, pixels per inch. These numbers are pixels, and so if you take 300 pixels per inch and you multiply that by 4 or 6, 300 times 4, 1200, there's that number. 300 times 6, 1800, there's that number. So that's where we're getting that 1800 by 1200. Now, because I didn't ask you specifically to crop a photo, oftentimes we're going to have numbers that are different than 1800 by 1200. You'll have 1800 in this case, 1800 by 1124. It's a random number, but it's smaller than 1200, so this is sized correctly. If I had a photo that was 1200 on the short side and less than 1800 on the long side, that's also going to be sized correctly. One more time, if the bigger number is bigger than 1800 and or if the smaller number is bigger than 1200, that's not correct. You're going to want to go back and resize. If one of your numbers is either 1800 or 1200 and the other number is less than or equal to the other number, 1800 or 1200, you're in good shape and you know that that is done correctly. So you can check the dimensions, the size here, in Google Drive, and that's one way to check to see if you've done it correctly.